Hi friends, my name is Evelyn and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I completed this look here, we're using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, then just keep watching. First off, I have all of my products right here, so it's going to be easier to use. And I always sit on the floor when I do my videos, or my get ready with me or my videos, so it makes my legs really numb. So I decided I'm going to sit in a comfy chair today and have everything out on my desk, and then I'll do my get ready with me or makeup tutorial, or how I use the Modern Renaissance palette. So for foundation, I'm using Becca's 24-hour foundation, and it's kind of like a thick consistency. Well, that's way too much. Okay, but yeah, I was just trying to show you the consistency of it. It's pretty thick. I forgot my mirror. Be right back. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to kind of spread it out on my hand. Try to get it to be, I guess, a better consistency, less thick, more mixed. And then I like to dab it on my face. I'm actually going to be using the Benefit Gimme Brow. It's all kind of rubbed off, but it's in the shade 4.5. And I usually use a pencil before I do the Gimme Brow, but I kind of don't want my eyebrows to be so dark today. I really like this product because it's so quick and easy to just do my brows real quick. But yeah, that was my brows. I'm gonna use, these are a lot of Benefit products today, but I'm gonna use Benefit's Hoola and just kind of give a healthy tan to my face. I'm not too worried about like contouring really, but I just want to give it like a healthy tan. For primer, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. It's in original. Now for the fun, we're going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Whose else is really like messy on the actual like case cover? Because mine, I haven't used it that much and it's already so messy. And I'm just like, what did I do? Where did I go wrong? So I'll be taking an eyeshadow brush. I don't remember which brand this is. I think it's It by Ulta. It brushes by Ulta. But I'm using this eyeshadow brush. First, I'm going to put the first shade, it's upside down because the mirrors are here. But the first shade, Tempera. I guess I could go like this. Yeah, the first shade, Tempera. Tempera? It's not tempura like the the fried food. Tempera, I think. But I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And then I'll go in with Warm Taupe, this shade right here. And then I'll put that on my lids as well. This side is darker than this side, I feel like. It's not just me, it's not the lighting, it's me. Let me blend it out with the blending brush, also from It Cosmetics. Then I want to go in with the shade Antique Bronze. Where'd it go? Right here. This one right here. I'm going to apply that on my lid. Like, if you would divide your eye by three, so 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. I skip the inner part of my eye, so the inner 1/3. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry. But I just like leave this part and then I do the rest. So for monolids, we don't have deep inset eyes, and also we don't have the fold. So what I like to do is where the eyeball is, like it kind of creases right here. So I like to take any excess and then I just like kind of blend it around there, and then it becomes more smoky, more covered, I would say. Smoky covered. But I feel like it looks better than putting on all this makeup and then having it fold under your eyes when you close your eye. I mean, when you open your eyes. So like if I close my eyes, it looks like this. And then if I open my eyes, it's kind of gone. Most of it's gone. Checking it for myself. I'm like, wait, I'm right? Yeah. I usually take Cypress Umber and I put it on like the outer corner of my eye. But today I kind of want to change it up and see how this looks. I'm going to take Red Orchard. I'm going to take this shade and then I'm going to apply it, I guess, around the outer corners. But first I want to see how this looks. Before I put on a new like shade that I'm unsure of, I like to dust it off kind of on my hand. I did a swatch test, but I like to dust it off kind of on my hand, and then we'll go in with the excess. Actually doesn't look too bad. Before I forget, I like to use the shade Vermeer with my finger, with my ring finger. Oh shoot, my mirror. This shade right here. I like to take this with my ring finger, just a little bit, and then I like to apply it in the inner corners of my eye. Because I think it's a little top heavy, this makeup, I'm gonna take, where'd it go? I keep losing colors. I'm gonna take the shade, where'd it go? Primavera, right here. And then I'm going to put it on, it's a glitter, it's like a shimmer shade, so it's easier to use your finger. It would be easier to use your finger in theory. However, I'm going to put it right here. Underneath, like, it's called aegyosan in Korean, but I don't, like, eye bags? That's not a cute word for it. But I like to put it there to, I guess, bring some shine. I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber, this shade right here, and then I'm going to put that on the lower right right here, like the lower, near the waterline of my eye. That's that for this palette. I'm actually gonna put on blush. This is the Rockateur from Benefit. Wow, I'm using a lot of Benefit products today. And I know they give you a brush with the product, but I kind of like using different brushes. So this is the brush, complexion brush from e.l.f. Then I'm gonna be using this highlighter. It's rose quartz and it's from Becca, and I like using my finger to apply this one. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes, do my mascara. Just so you know, I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I'm gonna try it out and I'll wear it for the whole day and see how it lasts, if it smudges or not, because you know with monolids, it'll smudge, it'll give you panda eyes, so I'll test it out today. I'm going to be using the 3CE Stylenanda lip color in Holy Rose. So much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button please. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.